How to sign up for a BingX account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily get started and sign up for the BingX account. If you are ready to start your crypto trading journey but not sure where to begin, here is how you do it. First of all, download and install the BingX app from your Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. From the first homepage of BingX, tap on the Sign Up Now button and you need to go ahead and enter your email or phone number to get started. I'm just going to enter an email over here. Once you type in an email, if you've got a referral code, you can type it down in the text box underneath. If not, click Sign Up Now. Now, complete this small puzzle and on the next page, you'll need to enter a 6-digit code sent to you via the email that you just typed in. Go open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from BingX. Click it open and copy the code inside it. Get back to the BingX app and paste in the code, and on the next page, set a password for your BingX account. After typing down a strong password, click on Sign Up Now. Now, you'll need to go ahead and verify yourself by uploading a valid ID document and upload a selfie of yourself. Tap on Verify Now in order to complete it right away. But if you want to do it later, you can also skip this step and do it later on. Tap on the skip button at the top right to skip it for now. And there you have created your BingX account successfully. Now the next thing you want to do is to go set up your security, enable two-factor authentication, and don't forget to complete your KYC before trading, and once you do that, you'll be able to complete your sign-up process. So that is how you easily complete your sign-up for BingX account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.